Welcome back to another Build.Collaborate AI and social rewards monetization tip. During the 2020 to 2022 pandemic, Zoom webinars experienced significant growth and popularity. As people worldwide had to adapt to remote work and virtual communication, Zoom emerged as a leading platform for video conferencing, including webinars. The platform's ease of use, reliability, and scalability made it a preferred choice for hosting and attending webinars. Today, there are millions of content creators sitting on countless hours of valuable content that they could easily monetize with artificial intelligence and social rewards. Here are some steps to help you monetize your webinar effectively with artificial intelligence and social rewards technology. First, using artificial intelligence technology, creators can easily convert their Zoom presentations into short-form videos. Once created, videos can be uploaded to YouTube, integrated into blog posts, and protected by social rewards technology. When supporters engage, creators can earn $1 for each listener that signs up free of charge to participate in the webinar or access the YouTube content. The webinar and blog can be further monetized with advertising, tipping, and e-commerce revenues. Second, for creators that have uploaded their video content to YouTube and built an audience, the option to join YouTube's partner program exists, and in doing so, share in advertising revenues. Furthermore, AI tools can assist in identifying suitable affiliate programs and used to enhance advertising and social rewards revenues. And finally, social rewards technology can be used to list your calls for collaboration partners, guest speakers, and related offers. As collaboration partners engage to take advantage of offers, creators will earn an additional $1 per enrollment. That wraps up our exciting update on how to monetize your webinars with artificial intelligence and social rewards. Please select the links in the video description to find additional opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI Tools and News channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer or content creator, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Finally, if you know someone who can benefit from reading this content and the free AI tools listing, please share. Thank you for watching.